Hi guys, this is the Breville Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus coffee and espresso maker. I'm showing you the model that comes with a milk frother. You can buy the unit alone or with the frother. It comes in this spicy red color, white, dark gray, black green, and aqua mint. Click on the link below the video if you want to buy this unit. The machine is 1500 watts, measures 8.6 inches wide, 14 inches long, and 10.4 inches tall. It weighs 7.9 pounds. The removable water tank with lid holds 25.4 ounces. Slot fits right in here. The adjustable cup support with a drip tray. Container for used capsules. A quick start guide, manual, and the milk frother manual. You also get 12 coffee capsules. Each capsule is described here. Nespresso uses centrifusion technology to brew coffee. The capsule rotates at a speed of up to 7,000 RPM to extract coffee. See the barcode on the bottom of each capsule? That tells the machine how to adjust water flow and temperature, infusion time, and capsule rotation. You don't have to choose a size, because the barcode tells the unit which size to brew. You can brew 5 cup sizes. For coffee, 5, 8, and 12 ounces. Single espresso at 1.35 ounces. And double espresso at 2.7 ounces. Brew over ice or use hot or cold frothed milk. There's only one on-off button to brew coffee, so it couldn't be easier. It is also extremely fast, only 30 seconds to heat up. You can fit a cup about 5 inches in height. The frother is 450 watts. It's got a lid with a seal, frother with a spring. There are 2 max fill lines inside. The upper line is for heating milk without much froth, like when you're making a latte. And the lower line is when you want to create more froth. Has a base with the plug. Just put the frother on. The whisk just snaps right into the center. Just the one start-stop button. To get good foam, use refrigerated, whole, or semi-skimmed or 2% milk. You can also use plant-based milks like soy, almond, or oat milk. And you do want to make sure to use a non-metal spoon to collect the foam, and that avoids damaging the container's coating. When you first get the unit, wash the lid and the inside of the container and the frothing spring. Make sure not to get any water on the bottom. If you do, dry it thoroughly before putting it on the base. This is hand wash only, just like the coffee machine. When you first get the unit, rinse the water tank and fill with water. Plug in the unit and turn the lever to lock. The machine will heat up and you can see the light blinking. That took less than 30 seconds and the light will be steady. Place a large cup at least 33 ounces to catch the water. Press the button 3 times within 2 seconds and the unit will go through a rinsing process. It's done with the rinse and that took about 5 minutes. The light's going to be steady when the rinse is done. Now we can brew coffee. For iced coffee, I'm going to use whole milk. Fill it to the second max line. Put the lid on. For cold milk froth, keep button pressed for 2 seconds. The button will be blue. It takes 60 seconds. And it's done. That took about 70 seconds. Good amount of foam. Using the Espresso Il Cafe. To make a cup of coffee, move the lever to unlock to open and put a capsule in. Close the head and move the lever to lock. Press the button. This is for my daughter. I'm just going to take a little sip. It's really good and strong. I'm going to brew a Gran Lungo Costa Rica. This is 5.07 ounces. Perfect size for this cup. Nice rich crema. Give that a taste. That is good and strong. When you need to add more water to the reservoir, the orange light will blink. I'll make an espresso. This is Altisio, 1.35 ounces. And there's our espresso. That is strong. Unlock and the capsule is automatically ejected and goes into the container. You don't even have to touch a hot capsule. This is what the pod looks like after it's finished brewing. You can see the big hole in the middle and holes all around. There's a close-up of the holder and the head. Now I'll make hot milk froth, and it takes 70 to 80 seconds. I'm going to use oat milk. Press the button to start. The button's going to be red. It's actually a really nice foam for plant-based milk. I'll make a double espresso. This is the Chiaro, 2.7 ounces. Pour the hot froth oat milk in. If I try any more coffee, I won't be sleeping tonight. It's pretty tasty though. You want to clean the frother after each use. Remove from the base. Remove the seal from the lid. Remove the whisk and the spring. Wash the inside and all parts with soap and warm water. Rinse and dry. Now I'll brew a regular cup of coffee, 7.7 ounces. This is the Stormio capsule. If you want to increase the amount of coffee in the cup, just keep pressing the power button, hold down, and Keep pressing it until you get the desired amount. The unit will save that size for this capsule in the future. To reset it the next time you brew with this capsule, you can just press and hold and let go if you want to go back to the regular size. It's very dark, almost like a burnt flavor. I'd compare it to a Starbucks coffee. The unit shuts off after 2 minutes if you're not using it. An orange blinking light will come on when it's time to descale. You can buy Nespresso descaler online. The aluminum capsules are recyclable. Nespresso offers a mail-back program. Just order a free bag at their website and drop it off at any UPS location. You can also drop off the capsules at an Espresso store or at a retail partner. In New York City and Jersey City, New Jersey, you can literally throw the capsules in the blue recycle bins. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, especially if you own an Espresso. Subscribe for more useful videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.